I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am ReddishBrown, and today's wig video is sponsored by Nadula Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So I'm just briefly showing you guys the hair unboxing, and let's just jump right into the cap construction because I think it's very important these days. I try to make sure that I show you guys the cap construction. So this wig unit here only has a comb in the back. So they're using the adjustable strap with the extra silicone for extra security, you guys. So as a person who does not like adjustable straps, I never use them in my hair videos. I had to basically put this back in because it was sliding off of my head. So you're going to definitely have to use the adjustable strap, you guys. There's no other way around it unless you spray it because this is a glueless install. So as for the specs of this wig, it is a 24-inch Jerry curly wig unit. It is a 7x5 closure, and it's also pre-cut. The baby hairs are also pre-cut for you, curled as well, moves down. It has invisible knots. It's being promoted as a Bye Knots Wig, and it's in the color reddish brown, I believe. So I have reviewed this wig unit, I think around this time from this company, around like last year, I believe, and I actually really do love this color, and I have reviewed it in other textures as well, and I think it's a really nice color, you guys. So if you're around my skin tone, I highly recommend you guys try out this color. I think it's really good on deeper skin tones. So basically, this is a glueless install, you guys. I'm literally straight out of the box. Actually, no, this is not. I have already came and like defined my curls, you guys. I just tried to make sure that I didn't get the baby hairs wet, but I did go ahead and define my curls. So, and I let it air dry outside. That's what I always do with my curly hairs. I'm not a mousse girl or a product person when it comes to my curly hairs, you guys. It's not my thing. I just like how the curly hairs look with no product. It just looks really good to me. But you know, feel free to basically use whatever you want to use on your hair. As I said before, when I did like another one of these types of hair videos, you can wear this wig straight out of the box, you guys, but you're gonna have to do some work because you're gonna have to make this fit your face shape and your face frame and stuff like that. Like, these baby hairs may not work for you. The placement of the baby hairs may not work for you. So you can always take away some of the baby hairs, whatever it is that you need to do. Like for me, I did take away some of the baby hairs. So I think that it's actually a really good foundation. You definitely don't have to do work to this wig unit, you guys. Like, you can't see the knots on this wig unit, especially with it being colored. It looks really good. So you guys would definitely see like close-ups of like the hairline, because I'll show you guys that at the end. And then I did end up doing a flip over method because I feel like with my curly hair, it looks better flipped over than in the middle part. I don't know. So I did show you guys the middle part briefly, but I ended up just doing this in a side part, you guys. So let me know what you guys think. Side part, middle part. What looks better on me when it comes to my curly hairs? Or what do you like when it comes to your curly hairs? I just know that with this length, I just like doing side parts. So overall, I think this is a pretty good wig unit. Super beginner friendly. I actually really do like the concept of these wig units. I just wish that they would not send them to me over plugged. Like, I get what you guys are doing, but don't send them over plugged. This one here is not over plugged, and the color job is also really good as well, you guys. So that's pretty much all that I have for you guys. I'm just going to go ahead and let this play out. And I guess I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams. problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you could believe all the little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is on a roll. She's on a roll. Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in the way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. The problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you could believe all the little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is on a roll. She's on a roll. Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truth. Don't get in the way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams. I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, 'cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in the way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dreams.